I don't know. It's a lot of the stuff that I'm ordering to gift to people that I'm almost wanting to keep for myself. Hey guys, I'm Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so I love this time of the year, specifically for the deals. Black Friday shopping is this week. Today is Saturday, November 20th. So with Black Friday coming up, I wanted to take you all along to my favorite place and take a look at some things that I'm going to suggest for Black Friday. Okay, so, and I know lots of people just think that Florida is like just full of sunshine and stuff, and while most of the time it is, this time of the year it really gets like cloudy. So today's a partly cloudy day. It's a little breezy outside, but not too cold. I don't know if it's because of my age, but I'm usually hot, y'all. So I just got on my $11 Walmart sweater, and I think I'm cute. I don't care what y'all say. I think I'm cute. And some jeans and some boots. So my Walmart sweater and my docs and my jeans. And I ain't gonna talk about this fanny pack. Okay, so we're going to Ulta, one of my favorite places to shop. There's nothing better than giving the gift of beauty for the holidays. So, hello, how you doing? Okay, so this is where right in here, because for me the lighting is kind of weird. Okay, I want to find some kits with like the mini lipsticks. That's what I'm looking for. And I know that they have them. I'm just looking for them. So, ooh, look at these right here. Look at these. Let's see what's in here. Oh, these are just boxes. Okay, let's see what I can find, because I'm looking for the gift kits that come, as like the minis. Here's some here for It Cosmetics. But not the brand that I'm looking for. Okay, here we go. Now these sets you always want to grab. Ooh, minis. And these are just $12 too? $12. See. Wonder how that candle smells. some. Okay. So this is. Oh, there they go. Okay, so this is Gucci for. Does that say $34? $34. This is 30. Okay, so these would be really great stocking stuffers. I purchased this some time ago, never used it. Look at this. Yes. This is what I'm talking about right here. $40. Let's see. This one.
I'll take it right here, honey. A whole lot of the lip kits this year like we did last or previous year.
Okay. So they might just be like online from what I was seeing.
And then we do have this, which is a good one. The Buxom Queen's Vault. So you get the different shades and then the plump shot to go with it. Like,
I don't need no plump, but
same.
that was yes.
Same.
Yeah. Okay.
But unfortunately, I don't think we did this because I try to get over here often to see what we do have. And then we have these lip balms. They're not lipsticks. They're not lip glosses. You get like, I think they have like the, just kind of like this, where it's like the tried and true MAC stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, but unfortunately, and let me walk you over to MAC. I'm not MAC, NYX.
Okay.
Shine Trio.
I'm at River City. She's showing me the something. Yeah. All right. Let me say that.
And then
now this is what I'm talking about.
Just the Butter Gloss Trio, the Shine Loud Trio, and then I got this one last year, and I loved it. Give me 6 stars.
Oh yes.
And I mean,
look,
literally all of them.
I love that you can break them up and like make them as stocking stuffers, and that's what I'm thinking about doing here. And yes, right here.
And then Ulta has like little lip kits as well.
What's this?
I just thought about it.
It's $50.
But I don't know.
Oh yeah, Ulta, the Ulta brand.
Yeah, the Ulta brand lip kits. But I can. It doesn't hurt to show you.
Of course, they're almost gone. Or you said they're slowly.
Yeah, slowly but surely. Shipment, supply chain is like really hurt everybody.
Okay,
so,
yeah.
And we are no exception.
Okay.
Lip balms. They're cute.
Okay.
So you have the lip stains, the lip oils, liquid lipsticks, and then you have lip glosses.
Okay. Got it.
And then where's the lipstick? Library.
Is Afrique by Juvia's Place. It is the perfect red for any skin tone, especially for chocolate girls. So finally able to get everything that I needed from Ulta. Saturday when I went, I wasn't able to get everything because everything wasn't priced yet. Their Black Friday sale didn't start until that Sunday, even though the prices were already activated on the app and you were able to shop the Black Friday sales on the app. Sometimes I just like to go into the store to see what it is that I see, because sometimes you'll find things that are in store that aren't online, and then sometimes the inventory that is reflected online isn't really that accurate in store. So it's a good thing that I went in there as well. So I was able to get everything that I wanted to get, I hope, on Sunday. Purchased online. Don't know if I said that, but purchased online and was able to do a curbside pickup in store. And I think I have everything that I need to gift for the season. And of course, I picked some things up for myself. But this season, I will be trying my best to give the gift of beauty. Because I mean, think of it yourself. Like, there's some products that you may want to try, but you don't really want to spend the coins to give them a try. So hopefully I'll be able to give somebody that try to where they'll be able to fall in love with a certain product or find a product that's been able to do what it is that they've been looking to do this season. So here we go. And if you feel hear some rumbling, I still have everything in bags. I didn't want to unpack everything. A lot of these items were 50% off, some of them 40% off, and then some of the items were so good, they were such good deals for me that I went ahead and got them for myself. First up is this Ardell Wispy lashes. And everybody needs lashes, like, period. If you're a lash girl, find a value kit to give somebody for the holidays. I know for me, I don't reuse many lashes. Even if I pay top dollar for them, if I spend a whole lot of money on them, I'll probably reuse them maybe once. But for the most part, I'm throwing them away. So something like this, I don't know, I just may keep. This might be for me. This was 50% off. This is the Elemis Superfood Facial Wash. It has kale, nettle, rosemary, and it's meant to brighten up the skin. And this is something that I wanted to try. This is for me. I've seen the brand of this eye cream a lot of places. I've read a lot of reviews, and I've been wanting to try the eye cream, but since the facial wash was on sale, I went ahead and I got this for me. This, again, these eye patches are, again, for me. I've been wanting to try eye patches because my son tried me one day and told me that I'm starting to look a little old in my eyes, around my eyes and around my nose. So I've been trying eye patches. This was on sale, so I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. The ones that I have been using, I can't remember the brand, but they've been working. I can tell that they've been. And this Tula purifying facial cleanser, the Cult Classic Purify Facial Cleanser, was on sale, 50% off. Tula's expensive. No, it wasn't 50% off. It was $15, and so I just had to jump on it. I wasn't gonna leave it there. Okay, and this, sure if I was able to focus in, but this is the Juice Beauty Green Apple Peel Full Strength Exfoliating Mask. And I really need a good mask. I need to do more exfoliating now that I'm in my late, oh Lord, I just said late 30s. I can't even say mid anymore. But now that I'm in my late 30s, I've been really focusing on skincare. After having my daughter, my skin just has never been the same. I had a lot of like bad hyperpigmentation, which with the help of certain products, I've been able to control a little bit. And so I want to be able to use better products. And then also be able to remain a little consistent. So want to give that a try. Now these are the gifts that I really bought. So, and you know what? I'm trying not to keep them for me. This is a Morphe eyeshadow palette, 35 Desert Shades That Bloom. This palette is bomb. I'm afraid that I might mess up the packaging, so I'm almost afraid to open it up, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So this is it right here. I probably should keep this for myself. Or maybe I'll order another one for myself. This will be a gift for someone. I actually purchased a lot of like eyeshadow palettes. Juvia's Place was on sale, so I had to make sure I got that. And then this Nubian palette is a popular one. It's a good one, so I had to make sure I got that. This will be gifted to someone because I already actually have these two. This Gam Girl by Too Faced Beauty will more than likely be a gift. This I think was, I don't know if it was 50% off, but it was priced to where you can almost get like a 2-for-1. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, you know that I fell in love with this brand earlier this year. It's a clean vegan brand, and the products are like just ultra sensitive. So I really like this. I'm gonna try not to keep this for myself. It has the Ultra Repair Cream, a facial cleanser, and the Radiance pads. The pads are really good, and they're really expensive. You get all 3 of these for pretty much the price of the pads, because the pads are roughly in the 30-something dollars. So, and of course, a little lipstick. This is Juvia's Place, the Perfect Red. And I don't know if I selected this, but this is Juvia's Place. This is a lip gloss. Sis. Let's open this. This looks like something that I should keep for myself. Ooh. I think I have something like this already. I don't know. It's a lot of the stuff that I'm ordering to gift to people that I'm almost wanting to keep. If you enjoyed this haul and you'd like to see more like it, just please comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Happy shopping.